In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to CSV. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take data from a table in Airtable and download it as a CSV file that you can open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or upload into other apps. Let's start right inside Airtable. First, log into your account and open the base that contains the data you want to export. A base is basically your project or database, and inside that base, you'll see one or more tables along the top, like tabs in a spreadsheet. Click on the specific table you want to export because Airtable only exports one table at a time. Next, pay attention to the view you're using. Views control which records and which fields you see, along with filters, sorting, and grouping. If you only want a subset of your data, make sure you're in the correct view before exporting. For example, you might have a view that filters to only active records or sorts items by date. Whatever is visible in that view is what Airtable will include in the CSV. Now look at the top left area of the screen where the current view name is shown. It might say something like Grid View or another custom view name. Click directly on that view name to open the View drop-down menu. This menu is where Airtable keeps options related to the current view, including the export option we need. In the drop-down, scroll or look through the options until you see Download CSV. Go ahead and click that. Airtable will immediately start generating a CSV file based on the table and view you have open. There's nothing else you need to configure here. It uses the columns and filters from your current view. Once you click Download CSV, your browser will handle the rest. Depending on your settings, the file will either save automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you might be asked where you'd like to save it. Choose a location that's easy to find later, and you can also rename the file to something descriptive so you recognize it at a glance. After the download finishes, you can open the CSV in your preferred spreadsheet app, share it with your team, or import it into another tool. And that's all there is to it. Open the right base and view, use the View drop-down, choose Download CSV, and save the file to your computer.